Okay, another box. Box inside of a box. Good protection. There's shopping bags here. There's shopping bags. Trader Joe's. Shit, those probably cost $1 a piece in California if you can buy them here. Alright, get those out of the way. Alright. Things on my way. It's just another head or something. We're getting a lot of heads lately, so maybe it's another pan head, maybe, who knows? Don't know yet. Looks like I got a bunch of trash. I don't know, does that look like someone's trash to you? It's a head. Oh, what a bunch of stinky ass trash. Yeah, stinks too. That is not the best way of packing. Ew, that's a piece of crap there. Ah, that stinks. Ew. I don't know where that thing came from. Alright, that head's been, oh, it's a shovelhead, not even a pan. Oh, that's getting pretty bad. You're buying shovelhead parts now. What's this world coming to? I'm buying shovelhead crap. Yeah. Okay. It's an earlier head, but not super early. 10 of 77 head. Must be a long reach. Oh yeah, it's 3/4 reach plug. It's a 74-inch head because it has fins in here. 80-inch heads are flat. They don't have these fins. It's like this right across. That's one way of telling real quick what you got. This one has an 07 right here, which doesn't mean much to me, but in this case it happens to be the year of it, 77, but I don't think that's true on all heads. Got a loose motor mount there, that's why you got a washer wearing mark, but not too deep. I obviously had a valve guide issue, so decided to weld up. Whoa, what'd they do over here? Oh, this is a butcher head. Dual plug, yeah, garbage. Does not work. Yeah. These have been modified a lot. Poured it out. Big ass seat in here. Big valve. What the hell they got going here? They decide to cut for big bore and decide to stop. Almost looks like there's a ring in here or something. Looks like a hard burnt line right here. Some kind of a ring in that thing, or just how it's cut. Hard to tell. I've never seen a cylinder with a big bore that had a thin spigot like that, so I'm not sure what's up with that. That's weird. It's definitely cut for big bore. So it's cut for a big motor. Exhaust spigot's actually pretty decent. It's surprising. Got a helicoil in it. That's fine. Looks like it's got some issues down inside there though. Might yank that out and redo that one. Did a little bit of porting in there, but not much. The seat looks good, so I'm not sure what happened on the valve guide hole, but doesn't look like it broke a valve or anything. Obviously something happened. The guide came loose, I guess. Boom. Well, if you want dual plugs, it's a decent head. It's actually got some decent thread length in there. Looks like it's got almost a ½ inch, so they did it correctly. It's in the right spot. Looks good. You go down just until it cleans the fin right there. See, just deep enough to clean and no extra. That's how you do it. So yeah, it's a nice looking head for that. Just needs to have the valve guide put back in there. So I don't know what the deal with for that was. The weld doesn't look too bad. It's definitely hot enough. Looks like it's stuck in there pretty good. It's not all full of porosity and crap, so that's a good sign. Yeah, I think it'll be all right. Cut the damn boss away. They cut the guide boss almost all the way away, not quite. They left a little bit of a thin end. Try to keep some support in there. Better than nothing. I don't like doing that. I'd rather cut the bottom of this out right through here and make it wider through there and keep the boss here for support. That's what holds the valve guide in there. When you cut this boss all out of here, there's no support. Like, so you can cut this whole thing out so my whole finger would go through there evenly, like a rectangular section. It'll flow better anyway. I can open the valve bowl up in here too to get more power on top end. It's pretty constipated right there. Yeah. Better than stock, but it could have been better. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened to this head. It's actually a decent head, surprisingly. Finding one with a good exhaust spigot's a miracle. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Oh well, somebody wants a dual plug rear head O-ring. Might know where there's one at. Yeah, just need to put the hole back in there. That's not too hard to do once you take a good head and get it all set up at the right angle, then you go and put this one there and poke the hole in there. So it comes in pretty close usually. So yeah, it's not too bad job for a dual plug head. It's a pretty good job. So I'm not sure what failed on it, but there's nothing physically wrong with the head. That's obvious. So if they cut the short side out a little bit, yeah, not too bad. It's a little thin on the back side there, but not too awful bad. I've seen a lot worse. I like to keep that high through there as much as I can. So. All right, decent 77 shovel head. I'm sure somebody wants one. There you go.